Hello friends, in this problem you have been given three equations which has three unknowns. Then you have to find the value of sum of these unknowns. The first equation is ABC is equals to 240. The second is AB plus C is equals to 46 and the third equation is A plus BC is equals to 64. Then you have to find what is the value of A plus B plus C. And it is also given that A, B, C are positive integers. How will you solve this problem? Now see, in this case what we can do is, we can get the value of A, B from equation 1 in terms of C and we can put into this equation, that is equation 2. Then I will get the value of C. So I have value of A, B and I have value of C, and then I can use equation 3 to solve for A and B. So let us try to use this idea to solve this problem. So let us call this equation as equation 1 and this equation as equation 2 and this is equation 3. So from equation 1 you can say ABC is equals to 240. This means AB is equals to 240 divided by C. Now let us plug this value in equation 2. So what is my equation 2? Equation 2 is AB plus C, this is equals to 46 and AB is how much? 240 divided by C and this plus C is equals to 46. So if I multiply by C throughout, what I will have? I will have 240 plus C square, this is equals to 46C. Now this is basically a quadratic equation. Let us take 46C to the left hand side. So I will have C square minus 46C plus 240 is equals to 0. Now you can solve this quadratic equation directly using formula or you can use factorization method. So let us use factorization. So what you can say is, you can write C square minus 40C minus 6C. Basically this is equals to 46. That's why I have taken 40 plus 6C. I mean 40 plus 6 is equals to 46. So I am looking for two numbers whose sum is 46 and product is 240. So these two numbers are 40 and 6. And this plus 240, this is equals to 0. So if I take C common, what I will have? I will have C minus 40 and here I can take 6 common, minus 6 common. So this becomes C minus 40, this is equals to 0. So I can say this is C minus 6 times C minus 40, this is equals to 0. So there are two possibilities. Either this term is 0 or this term is 0. So if the first term is 0, that is C minus 6 is equals to 0, this means C is equals to 6. Second term is 0, this means C minus 40 is equals to 0, this means C is equals to 40. And what was the value of AB? AB was 240 by C. So in this case, AB will be 240 by C and C is 6, so AB is 40. Now in this case, AB will be 240 by C and C is 40. So 240 by 40, so this is not 6, this is 240 by C, but C is 40, so I can write this C is 40. So this is equals to 6. So now I have one solution, C is equals to 6 and AB is equals to 40. And the second solution, C is equals to 40 and AB is equals to 6. So these two solutions we have. Now let us see equation 3. So what is my equation 3? Equation 3 is A plus BC is equals to 64. Now plug the value of C. So first case, let us say case 1. So in this case, I have C is equals to 6 and AB is equals to 40. So if I plug the value of C, that is 6, so this becomes A plus 6B and this is equals to 64. And we can also express from this term A in terms of B. So we can make a quadratic in B. So AB is equals to 40. This means I can say AB is equals to 40. This means A is equals to 40 divided by B. Now let us plug this value of A. So this becomes 40 divided by B plus 6B. This is equals to 64. Now let us multiply both sides by B. So this becomes 40 plus 6B square is equals to 64B. Now I can take 64B to the left hand side. So this becomes 6B square minus 64B and this plus 40 is equals to 0. Now if I take 6B common here, or first let us factorize. So I need two numbers whose multiplication is 240 and sum is 64, but I have a negative sign. So this will be 6b square minus 60b minus 4b plus 40 is equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. You can solve either using factorization, or if you want you can use the direct formula for quadratic equation solutions. Now you can take 6b common here. So you will have b minus 10 and you can take minus 4 common, then b minus 10. This is equals to 0. So this becomes b minus 10 times 6b minus 4 is equals to 0. So two possibility, either this term is 0 or this term is 0. If the first term is 0, that is b minus 10 is equals to 0, this means b is equals to 10. And if 6b minus 4 is equals to 0, this means b is equals to 4 by 6, that is 2 by 3. But in the question it was given that a, b, c are integers. If you remember, this was given in the problem. A, b, c are positive integers. So this means I have to reject this value. So only b is equals to 10 is the solution. So what we have? We have for this case b is equals to 10. What is my solution? B is equals to 10. And what is value of c? C is equals to 6. And then what is A? A is equals to 40 by B, that is 40 divided by 10. So this is equals to 4. So my solution for this case is 4, 10 and 6. So this is my solution for first case. And now see, we have the second case also here. So this is the solution for first case. Now let us consider the second case. Now in the second case, what was the solution? C is equals to 40 and AB is equals to 6. C is equals to 40 and AB is equals to 6. Now what was the third equation? We used equation 3, and equation 3 was A plus BC is equals to 64. Now let us plug the value of C. So this becomes A plus B times 40. This is equals to 64. Now see, B and C and A are positive integers. This means A is greater than equal to 1, B is also greater than equal to 1 and C is also greater than equal to 1. Now if you see this equation, if you take B is equals to 2, then this term itself becomes 80, but this side you have only 64. So B cannot be 2 or even B cannot be 3, 4, 5. Only possibility we have, that is B is equals to 1. So in this case only one possibility. So if B is equals to 1, what is the value of A? So A plus 40 is equals to 64. This means A is equals to 64 minus 40, that is 24. So A is equals to 24 and B is equals to 1 and C is equals to 40. But you remember this also has to satisfy this inequality. Basically equation AB is equals to 6. So let us check whether this satisfy or not. So A times B is equals to 6. But what we have, A is equals to 24 and B is equals to 1, which is not equal to 6. This means this solution is not accepted. This is not a true solution. You can also solve the same thing by making this equation as a quadratic in B or quadratic in A, and then similarly as we solved in the previous case, you can solve and you can prove that in this case you don't have any solution. So for this problem we have only one solution, and that solution is this 4, 10, 6. So in the question you have to find what is the value of A plus B plus C. So this will be 4 plus 10. So this is 4 plus 10 plus 6. So this is equals to 20. So I hope you enjoyed this problem, and if you enjoy, please share with your friends, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.